work out the following without using a calculator, because we've got 7 plus 4 times 5 minus 3. Let's just do that one first. Again, we use this idea of BIDMAS: brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Brackets, indices is to the power, so n squared or n cubed. Division, multiplication, plus and minus. Remember, these you do from left to right. And same here. Okay, so we've got 7 plus 4 times 5 minus 3. So because we've got a multiplication here, we do that first. So this now becomes, and if you would like, you can put brackets. It's not essential, but you can put brackets if it helps you. So this now becomes 7 plus 20, and then we've still got the take away 3, and then we just work from left to right. 7 plus 20 is 27 minus 3, and then 27 minus 3 is 24. B, we've got 5 times 4 minus 9 divided by 3. So first here, we'd have to do this multiplication and this division before we do the subtraction. So if you want, you can put brackets in to help you. So 5 times 4 is 20. We've still got a minus sign. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then 20 take away 3 is going to be 17. Right, the last one, which is 8 plus 6 minus 4 over 2. We will... Now, the line here means divide. But we will first do the top bit because the line actually acts as a bracket. And you can put brackets in if it helps you. So we're just going to do 8 plus 6 first of all, which is 14, and then minus 4 over 2. Again, we do this bit first. 14 minus 4 will give me 10 divided by 2, and then 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. So this has been a video to show you how to do BIDMAS. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.